to MooMooMath and Science. In this video, let's go over how to simplify square root 4800. I like to use a factor tree to get all the prime numbers. So let's get started. I know that 300 times 16 equals 4800. So let's go ahead and work on the 16. We have 8 times 2. 2 is prime. I'm going to circle that. And then 4 times 2. 2 is prime. And then 2 times 2. Now, once we get down to all the prime numbers, we then can figure out pairs of prime numbers that we can pull out. But I'll get to that in just a minute. Now let's go 30 times 10 equals 300. This 10 is 5 times 2. So we have 2 more prime numbers. And then the 30, I'll do it right over here, is 15 and 2. Another prime number. And then let's go 5 and 3. So now we are down to all prime numbers. So let's go ahead. You don't have to do this, but I always just do. Remember, we have a square root, which is 2. So let's put all the numbers under the square root sign. So let's start with 5. We have 2 5s. And then it looks like we have, let's count carefully. I will 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 3. Now, since it is a square root, I can pull out pairs. So there's a 5, 2s, 2, and 2. And then the 3 stays underneath the square root sign. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. 20 times 2 is 40. Square root 3. I hope that was helpful.